and welcome to the weekly Fundamental Podcast. Merry Christmas to all of you. I am Rini Mehta, and as usual, I'll talk about the key things to know from the world of stock markets, and then I'll also give some stock ideas to invest in. So stay tuned till the end. Now let's get started. Indian stock markets started the week with correction amid, as you all know, the concerns of rising Omicron variant cases and also increasing hawkishness from global central banks. However, in line with global markets, the domestic markets recovered some losses during the week. Sensex and Nifty ended the week almost flat. The BSE Sensex declined around 112 points and Nifty was up around 18 points. If we talk about the sectors, defensive sectors saw interest from the market participants, which is BSE IT, BSE FMCG, and healthcare, gave positive returns. On the other hand, BSE Bankex and oil and gas index witnessed selling pressure. Now, broader indices ended marginally lower, with BSE mid cap shedding 0.8%, while small cap index was down 0.3%. Now, if we look at the global picture, while the US 10-year Treasury yield remained broadly stable, oil prices have again started to move higher. Coming to the foreign investors' interests, so far this month, FIIs continue to be net sellers in the December month till date to the tune of Rs 32,561 crores. Given the upcoming state elections and tightening of monetary policy by developed countries, we expect FPI flows to remain volatile in the coming months. Apart from inflation and global central bank announcements, global and domestic markets will continue to keep track of the Omicron variant spread. Let's see how that pans out in the coming week and the new year. Now, coming to the top stock picks, our pick of the week is Jubilant Foodworks with fair value of Rs 4,200. Now, why we like the company? So, Jubilant Foodworks is progressing well in its transition into a multi-brand quick service restaurant. Jubilant Foodworks continues to focus on higher adoption of digital assets, and management highlighted strong recovery in number of orders during the last 4 months. So we expect earnings to grow by 54.2% in FY23 and 22.2% in FY24. Our fair value of 4,200 is based on Rs 3,550 from Domino's plus option value of Rs 650 from new brands and investments. So our another pick is GMR Infra. GMR is leveraging platform to create value through recent order wins. Addition of Goa and Medan, that is Indonesia airports, would leverage GMR capabilities. Then Goa's Mopa airport is meaningfully value accretive for GMR. So we estimate price to invested equity of 3 times for the Mopa asset, reflecting Rs 4,600 crore of value creation. Adjusted for GMR stake in airports, Goa increases its fair value by 10% to Rs 49. So we maintain buy on the company. Guys, for more details on our recommendations, visit the research section of Kotak Securities website. Or you can also follow us on Telegram for more such updates. That's all for today. See you again next week in the new year 2022. Thank you and happy investing.